honestly led to nearly 2,000 deaths and the resignation of the country's embattled prime minister. Roland Carr from our global news partner BBC reports from Kathmandu.
Right, let's run through this assignment. First up, what was the news report we choose?
Definitely, it's important to be aware of what's happening, even if it's far away. What the new vocabulary did you find? Yeah.
It's important to be aware of what's happening, even if it's far away. What new vocabulary did you find?
The word I picked was provocation. The news used it when talking about political tensions.
Give me the definition, the usage, and your own sentence.
It means action or speech that makes someone annoyed or angry, especially deliberately. In the news, the sentence was the politician's speech was seen as a provocation by opposition groups. If I were to make a sentence out of it, it would be it's important not to be provoked or say things that offend for people.
Nice! It's crucial for us to not do that here, or else everything that you're reading will provoke me.
Let's continue with our presentation, yeah?
Yeah. We should talk about the contents of the article. Yeah.
You got it. I will talk first. First, the news report detailed several instances of alleged corruption in government. It mentioned specific cases and the amounts of money involved.
Wow. Next.
The news report stated how it has greatly impacted Nepal's economy and political stability.
That seems bad. Alright, let's wrap this up by giving our comments. So, what are your overall thoughts?
Honestly, I think it's a really important news report. It's so interesting as it gives details description of what's happening in Nepal, how corruption is affecting the country. The content is extremely informative, and now I see the corruption is there. However, I think some resource needs to be verified, but info still feels true.
I agree. Transparency and accountability are essential for any government. Is good for people.
So guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That's all our topic today. I decided to topic Nepal corruption because that is so big issue for Nepal now. So that is our report for Mr. B assignment to do that with one pair, and this is my member, my pair also. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Khairul Rizal. You call me Rizal.
So, and me, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Norjid Romano Sebastian. I'm also 19 years old. I'm from Philippines. Yeah. And that's all. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.